Disposable nappies and the damaging impact they have on the environment. The subject of disposable nappies and the damaging impact they have on the environment is an ongoing concern among many families. According to Lee 2014, 95% of Australian families choose to use disposable nappies rather than opting for the choice of reusable nappies. These statistics reflect on family lifestyle choices and convenience. Research shows how important this subject is, as the impact disposable nappies are having on the environment is detrimental, with over 2 billion nappies going to landfill each year in Australia alone. Therefore, this concern needs to be addressed. Unlike a lot of things in the world, nappies are a necessity for infants and are a staple in all family homes with children aged 0 to 4 years. Most people these days neglect to see the impact disposable nappies have on the environment and how they are and will continue to affect landfill until changes are made. This problem is a large issue in everyday life, with many facts that can help consumers learn what their options are with alternative solutions to the disposable nappy. These could include reusable nappies, reusable washcloths, eco-friendly and biodegradable nappies, and hybrid alternatives for their chance to help with the impact on landfill. Once the topic was chosen, it was important to start researching and sourcing factual and credible sources of information that were not only important and relevant to the chosen topic, but unbiased towards one nappy style or system in particular. The process began with brainstorming a list of key words and statements that were related to the chosen topic, with words such as environment, impact, and options in conjunction with disposable nappies was used. This proved to be quite difficult, as most sites and blogs held interesting discussions and information but seemed to hold a biased opinion when looking at one style of nappy. The other issues that were faced were finding credible sources that were Australian-based, which made it difficult keeping the information relevant. Both Google Scholar, Google Search Engine, and Curtin University Library were used. It was important to search for a gathered amount of factual, statistical, and generalizable information to help critically analyze and synthesize the information that was found. When researching this topic, there were a few main problems that stood out, such as on average, over 2 billion used nappies go into landfill here in Australia each year. That adds up to over 5.6 million nappies per day, according to statistics that were released in 2007 by Freedom Solutions. Research shows a single-use nappy can take up to 500 years to decompose. To make a disposable nappy, it takes many chemicals and dye products, which can cause skin reactions, harm if ingested, and soil contamination, causing risk of air pollution and the risk of bacterial and viruses soaking into groundwater, posing a threat to contamination for both human and animals. There is a variety of alternatives for disposable nappies on the market, although all nappies will have an environmental impact due to the manufacturing of the product. Cloth nappies are highly recommended as they have very little environmental impact as they are reusable. The research found home wash cloth nappies in cold water are the most sustainable option, as they use less energy and water consumption. This can be a solution to reducing the impact on the environment by reducing landfill and energy resources. This topic is connected to the Australian curriculum and best suited to years 5 and 6. They will need to have a scientific knowledge and background to the impact nappies have on the environment. In conclusion, through research and critical analysis, it is concluded that the environmental sustainability issues of disposable and reusable nappies are a continuing debate. Although today there are many alternatives to the disposable nappy that has been manufactured and produced by using degradable and biodegradable materials such as hemp and bamboo, all parents should consider the environmental and sustainability impacts when making their decision on what style of nappy will best suit their family needs and lifestyle.